Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Bulabunaka, and very good afternoon to all of you. Pleased to join you this afternoon for the official launch of the Fiji New Caledonia E-Trade Expo. And I'm delighted to see the turnout. This is, of course, one of the many initiatives, ladies and gentlemen, that have been undertaken jointly by Fiji and New Caledonia to develop our bilateral relations and enhance partnership. Some of you may recall that the 2019 Fiji New Caledonia Business Forum actually highlighted the significant untapped economic potential that exists between our two countries. Whilst the reciprocal mission to New Caledonia has been sidetracked due to the pandemic, today's event demonstrates that we are continuing to build on this foundation for successful business collaboration. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, at the end of 2019, no one could have foreseen the millions of infections and deaths from the deadly COVID-19 pandemic that brought global lockdowns and shut a large number of businesses. The actual restoration of cross-border trade and investment is undoubtedly vital in driving a global economic recovery. A return to trade and investment-led growth will hinge on creating enabling conditions for businesses to thrive. This is why the Fijian government has actually pushed out many support initiatives for businesses to tide through this challenging period, ranging from restructure of billions of dollars of loans and introduction of concessional loans for micro, small and medium enterprises, to tax and duty reforms. A number of business trainings, mentoring, advisory and intervention services also have been provided. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, we are not letting the border closures hamper the determination that we have in terms of making Fiji an ideal investment destination. In fact, during this period we have expedited and prioritized reforms so that Fiji continues to be a competitive and a preferred trade and investment destination. The Fijian government is undertaking reforms which includes legislative reviews, especially modernization of investment laws, streamlining and digitalization of approval systems and processes. As the minister responsible for trade and investment, I'm personally involved in the helm of all ongoing changes. And I'm proud to say that Fiji is one of the pioneering Pacific nations engaged in such rigorous reforms to realign and move towards digitalization. The Fijian government has actually set the path to create a sustainable economy, an economy which is able to accommodate a dynamic private sector and investors, facilitate capital and new technology, and to support diversification into new sectors which feed into the global value chain. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, there is one important reality that we must come to terms with now. We are not returning to a pre-COVID world. We should not be preparing for business as usual or preparing to return to the good old normal. Now is the actual time to build a new economy and transform, create the right opportunities for our businesses and people. Today we are actually seeing a dramatic growth in the use of digital technologies. And as said by the President of the World Economic Forum, the world in the first 2 months of the pandemic leaped 5 years ahead in terms of digital uptake. Unquote. These have actually proven extremely useful for our businesses, helping them to respond nimbly to the severe disruption caused by COVID-19. It has given businesses greater visibility and control over their operations and allowed them to develop new businesses and continuity plans and reorganize themselves for better resilience. It's actually also reduced face-to-face interactions, to safeguard people's health and well-being. E-trade expos such as this have enabled businesses to offer their products and services and access markets even without having a physical presence. So if we take a step back and see this COVID COVID-19 crisis is in fact a catalyst, and we must not waste any time in seizing the opportunities that it actually presents. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, having said all the above, I've given you an idea of what Fiji has to offer. However, it is important to formalize our trade and investment linkages to grant businesses predictability and certainty. Hence, the Fijian and the New Caledonian governments have initiated preliminary discussions on a bilateral trade agreement, which we will need to explore further. We need to create a pathway for both Fijian and New Caledonian businesses to actually trade freely. I firmly believe that this e-trade expo is a pinnacle of working in collaboration to create a win-win situation. Our presence here today illuminates our strong partnership and commitment towards redefining our relations. It demonstrates that we are actually looking forward in terms of creating the enabling conditions required to support our businesses in transiting to a better future. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, Excellencies, I now launch Fiji, New Caledonia e-trade expo. Thank you.